All right, seventh grade math. This is the mastery for lessons 1 through 3. Good luck. You can look back at the lessons from the previous week if you have any questions or forgot how to do something. And all I ever ask of you is to try your best. Don't forget, you can use your resources like an iPad, a calculator, etc. Remember to submit to me through Canvas when done. Now, on this mastery, the important pieces are to remember. It says write the place of the underlying digit in each number. Write the value of the underlying digit using words and number. Next, it says to round to the nearest thousand, round to the nearest hundred. And then down here where it says on a separate sheet of paper, choose a strategy, then estimate. Do your work all on this paper. So we are going to cross this part out. It says choose a strategy, then estimate. On the bottom part, it is kind of the application, and you need to read it as to Joseph estimated the sum of 1,256, 820, and 2,000. Amico estimated the sum of the same numbers as 1,800. Do you think both are good estimates? Explain why or why not. So I'm looking for some work off to the side, and I'm looking for a written explanation. So that's the mastery of the lessons. Remember, submit to me through Canvas when you are done. Good luck.